Hello, everyone, and welcome to Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. This is episode 20. Can you believe it, K-Sensei? 20 episodes. I'm so happy and so proud of all our listeners for sticking with us.
Congratulations to you too, Leo-san, and to everyone listening. It is a big milestone. To celebrate, let's add some color to our Japanese. The word for color is iro. Iro.
Perfect! To mark the occasion, I'm wearing a bright red cap today. It feels very festive.
Ah, red. A wonderful choice. In Japan, red is a color of energy and celebration. Let's start with that. The word for red is aka. Excellent. Next, a very common color for clothing is blue. Please repeat. Ao. Now for two essential, classic colors. Black is kuro. And finally, white is shiro. Let's add a couple more useful colors. Yellow is a kiiro. And green is midori.
Okay, I've got my red cap, and I've got my favorite shirt on, some casual pants, and my trusty shoes.
Perfect. 3 essential items. Let's start with shirt. This is a word borrowed from English, so it sounds similar. It is shatsu. Shatsu. Good. Now for pants or trousers. This word also has foreign origins. It is zubon. Zubon. And finally, a very common Japanese word, shoes. This is kutsu. Kutsu.
That seems straightforward enough. What about a dress or a skirt?
Both are also borrowed words. Dress is doresu. Doresu.
This is great, but how do I combine them? Like if I want to say red shirt to describe what someone is wearing.
An important grammar point. To connect a color and a clothing item, we use the particle no. You just say the color, then no, then the clothing. So, red shirt becomes aka no shirtu. Exactly. So, for practice, how would you say black shoes? The answer is kuro no kutsu. Okay, everyone. Time for a high-energy review to make these words stick. I will say the Japanese word, you repeat it in the pause. Let's do 2 rounds. First round, steady pace. Ready? Aka. Ao. Kuro. Shiro. Kiiro. Shatsu. Zubon. Kutsu. Great job! Round 2. A little faster now. Aka. Ao. Kuro. Shiro. Shiatsu. Zubon. Kutsu.
I'm feeling very stylish now. Okay, I know how to combine a color with a piece of clothing, but now I'd like to talk about it with my friends. Can we combine everything we've learned to make longer sentences?
Yes, of course. That's exactly the next step. For example, I can say, Leo, その赤いマントイン、どこで買ったの?
私の赤いマント?ありがとう。デパートで借りました。
Very good. And then I could say, いいね。西もデパートに行って赤いマントを買うよ。
That already feels like real conversation. But what if I want to say more, like describing multiple items at once?
Great question. You can chain descriptions using no repeatedly. For example, 赤いマント、青い靴、黒いズボン。
So I could say something like, 君の赤いマント、青い靴、そして黒いズボンが好きです。
Exactly. In Japanese structure, it becomes a natural list. You're starting to sound much more fluent already.
I feel like I've unlocked a new level today.
And you have. Next step is making your own full outfit descriptions and asking questions naturally in conversation.
Perfect. I think next time I meet my friends, I'm going to try using all of this. Okay, I feel stylish and confident now. Thanks for these 20 amazing episodes, K-Sensei. Here's to 20 more. And for everyone listening, get ready for next time on episode 21, because we're looking in the mirror. We'll learn all about body parts. From your head to your toes, we'll cover how to describe yourself.
Until then, またね。